This is a quick demo on how to install and run Visual Studio Code. Many people would be facing the internet issues that they can't run their code using Linux Replit, and when you get into an industry, you would be mostly using Linux. You would not be using Linux Replit. Instead, you'll be using VS Code because that is the industry standard. So let's begin on a quick demo session how to get things done and ready. I just start Google Chrome. You can open any browser you want and just type in VS Code. So this would be the link, or this would open the first link which would appear over here. The VS Code is taking my operating system. You could have a different operating system. You could have Windows or Linux. I have a Mac operating system, so it is taking the Mac operating system. Okay, now over here, select whatever operating system you have and click on the stable build. You would always choose the stable build because it would be much, as the name goes, it is very much stable. Okay, so I hit on downloads. I already have it in my desktop, so I wouldn't download it again. So I just cancel this. Once it's downloaded, you have to just, if you're a Windows user, just double tap on it and it would start running. You have to click yes for a few terms and conditions. Same goes for Mac, and in Mac you have to just drag and drop it to the application option. Once it is done, you would be seeing something like this pop up. Okay, from here I'm going to teach you what else, what all you have to do. Over here you have to just go and open, let's say come to file, and you're going to open a folder. So I already have a folder for a few projects according for this session. I open the project. Okay, let me just start with something new. As you know, always it starts with index.html for the web developers. Okay, where is it? Yeah. Okay, I already have one, so let me name it as index1.html. Okay, good. Okay, a quick tip over here. So just write HTML5. Wait. Choose HTML5 and hit enter on that, and voila. See, you get all the boilerplate code by default. I'll be teaching about meta tag and the title, head, body, etc. in the future classes. But this is a very cool extension from VS Code where you get all the boilerplate code. You have to not manually type all of them. So let me just type in head1 tag, which we just learned in the previous class. Let's say hello. Now let me just run this. So for running this, you have to just find that it's in the desktop and it's under projects. So it's one.index.html. I would run it with, yeah, let it run with Safari, no issues. Okay, you can see that there is hello, right? But suppose you want to keep making changes and look how your file would look like. That would be a very tedious task. I will be giving you a quick like a very handy tool for that. Just go to this extensions bar and click on live server. This extension, just click on this install and it would be installed. This is a very good extension you'll be using a lot. So by this extension you need not run, or like you have to not always go refresh the page or something like that. The live server would do it automatically for you. So for running this type of file, right click on that and wait. Yeah, right click on that and click on open with live server. Okay, so as you can see it has opened up. Now let me place them side by side in split window, so I can just show you what I meant. So we have learned about paragraph tag, right? So wait, so you don't need to refresh or anything, it automatically does all the work for you. Let me just give you another demo. just come over here, it automatically refreshes. So this is a very handy tool which you can have, so that every time you don't need to come refresh your tab or you open the page again and again. It's completely free. So do check this out, and I hope this demo was very much helpful. Thank you, and see you in the next session.